The sanctuary can be installed as an essential loads configuration, where when the grid goes down, it provides backup to a group of essential loads for your home, not the entire house. When the grid is live, the sanctuary is still able to use the solar and battery power to cover your entire home's loads. We do recommend including a transfer switch in your installation to bypass the sanctuary for service. To wire one sanctuary inverter for essential loads, start at the home's main panel. Install a breaker in the main panel. This will send grid power to the inverter's grid input. Next, install a second breaker in the main panel with wiring to the manual transfer switch. This switch controls whether your home runs on grid power or the inverter power. Then wire the inverter's load output to the other input on the manual transfer switch. From the manual transfer switch, run wiring directly to the essential loads panel. This ensures that key appliances stay powered during grid outages. During normal operation, the manual transfer switch should be set to the inverter output. To bypass the sanctuary for servicing, the user can flip the manual transfer switch to the grid input. Make sure the breakers are installed with correct L1 and L2 phasing to prevent damage to the inverter. Incorrect wiring resulting in damage to the inverter will void warranty due to incorrect installation.